This is one of the dozens of pieces of furniture that I've built and sold on Facebook Marketplace, and I never get tired of seeing this. Yes, that wonderful word in red, sold. I'm ready to post another ad of a table I just built, and I'm going to show you my step-by-step process that I go through to get results like this every single time. Let's get started. From your Facebook page, you're going to go to the Facebook Marketplace homepage. There you'll see the Create New Listing link option over in the left column. Click that and it takes you to the Choose Listing Type page. You have three options: items, vehicles, and homes. I select items since I'm selling furniture. That takes me to the item for sale listing page where I upload photos of my table. Facebook allows up to 10 photos and I take full advantage and use all of them. To me, this is the most important part of the ad. If people don't like what they see, they're going to move on. As you can see in some of the photos, I have staged the table with various items, and some photos are just of the table itself. I also take photos from multiple angles to give the buyer a complete picture of the item. I often include one photo with the dimensions of the piece as well. I take staging and lighting seriously, so I make an effort to get the best photos I can. You don't have to be a professional photographer. I certainly am not. I have an entire video dedicated on how to stage furniture. I'll put a card above for that. Next comes the title, price, category, and condition. I almost always start with handcrafted in my titles. This lets people know it's a unique piece of furniture. Use keywords in your title. I have handcrafted, rustic, and entryway console table. I could have put in farmhouse as well, but I didn't want the title to be too long. People will search based on keywords, so you want the ad to show up for them. Pricing will depend on your area and what the supply and demand is. Search for similar items you're selling and see what sellers are offering and the price ranges. You'll get an idea of what's reasonable in your area. Under category, I put console table. Just another added keyword that helps in search. Condition is new since I just built the table. Next comes description. I think this is the second most important part of the ad right behind the photos. Give a complete description of your item. You can read through my description and it's basically the same structure with all my ads. It's handcrafted. I give the dimensions, the stain color used, and the fact that I can build to a different size or color if needed. And I conclude with thanking the buyer for supporting their local crafters. It's not too long and it gives complete information. Next up are some optional fields to fill in: color, decor style, and finish. I picked brown for color, farmhouse for decor style, there's another keyword, and a walnut finish. Now here's what I've come to discover works great for me, and that's using the boost option. Not many people do, but I've found that I get quicker sales when I do. It makes sense. The ad gets shown to more people when you boost it. The more you pay, the more people will see the ad. You need to decide for yourself if it's worth it. I'm going with the $6 option. You can see estimated reach is 2,000 to 5,000 people. The total budget is $18. Now I'm ready to click Promote Now. You can see the ad is being submitted. Now I can go to My Listings, go to the new one and select View Listing and see how the ad looks. I usually scroll through the photos just to double check that they're all there. I read through the ad copy and that's it. Now I just wait for the messages from customers. If it's slow, I may need to drop the price a little. You just need to be flexible and willing to test out different things on your ad to see what makes sense. That is my method I use, and I've sold everything I have posted. I only have one return, and I made a video about that experience. You can look up the How I Lost a Sale video if you're interested in that. Let me know in the comments if you have a different tactic for your ads and how that works. I'd love to know. Thank you so much for watching. Now go take action. I'll catch you on the next video.